Hi, to install GBoard on your Samsung Galaxy S25, as a first step we need to find and open Play Store. And here you need to sign in first, so verify your account via password or biometrics. And now we can actually find Google Keyboard. So let's use search settings and manually enter GBoard. And here it is. Just tap install, wait a couple of seconds, and of course make sure that you got Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and tap open. And as you can see, we need to enable it in settings first. So let's go in settings. Here we need to find this tab, general management. And now let's go in keyboard list and default and enable GBoard. Tap OK and make sure that the switcher is blue. After that, as for default keyboard, you can switch from Samsung to GBoard just by tapping it. And now let's check it. I'm gonna trigger my keyboard, and here it is, GBoard. If you wanna use voice typing, then tap settings icon. Here choose voice typing and enable it by tapping on the switcher, so it will light up like that. After that, tap microphone icon and allow permissions. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.